If you're still using GoHighLevel Snapshots to set up your clients, I've got some bad news for you because, well, they're pretty much dead. And I'm saying that as someone who used them for the last 3 years, because there's a brand new way to set up a client account now, and it's so much better that it kind of makes snapshots feel pointless. You don't import anything, you don't have to update custom values, and you definitely don't have to customize a workflow that feels like it was made for someone else. I'm going to show you the new and easy way to set up clients in minutes. In fact, GoHighLevel's AI can now take 182 different actions inside your account, not just look stuff up, actually do the work. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I use it to build a full client account start to finish without touching a single snapshot. And I know this stuff works because I run a social media marketing agency. Last month, we did over $365,000 in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick, just so you can see this is legit. I do this every single video because if someone on YouTube won't show you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is, $365,092 in revenue and around 350 active clients. So I'm not some affiliate trying to sell you a dream. I'm a real user with a real agency, and the way I set up new clients completely changed this year. So let me show you what I mean. Chapter 1, what a snapshot actually is. A snapshot is basically a saved copy of a whole GoHighLevel account. So you build out one account with all the good stuff inside it. The pipelines, the calendars, the funnels, the email templates, the automations, all of it. And then you save that whole thing as a snapshot. You can think of it like a template that you can reuse later for any client. Then when you land a new client, you don't start from zero. You just load that snapshot into their account and boom, all that stuff shows up in about a minute. And honestly, for a long time, that was the move. I've even got older videos showing you how to set them up because the process is so simple. You just build a snapshot one time and you sell it again and again. And then some people took it even further. Right now, there's a whole market out there of folks building snapshots and selling them. So let me make this real with one business, and I'll use this same business for the whole video. There's a HVAC company up in Marietta, just north of Atlanta, called Summit Heating and Air. It's a family-run shop. The husband and wife who own it actually started it with one used truck, and they grew the whole thing by word of mouth. So let's say they just became my client. Well, with the old way, I'd use a HVAC snapshot, load it into their account, and they'd instantly have a setup ready to go. Sounds great. And for a while, it really was. But here's where the whole thing starts to fall apart. Chapter 2, why snapshots are dying. So snapshots have some real problems. And once somebody points them out, you can't unsee them. So let me walk you through the big ones one by one. The first problem, you still have to rebuild everything anyway. See, a snapshot drops in a generic skeleton, but all the important details come in empty. So in GoHighLevel, there's this thing called custom values. That's where your client's business name, their address, their phone number, and all their links get stored. And when you load a snapshot, every one of those comes in blank. See that? Every field is empty. So you're right back to typing all of it in by hand for every single client. And this drives people so crazy, there's a request on GoHighLevel's own ideas board with almost 80 votes just begging them to fix it. One guy even said he has to copy and paste like 20 values every single time he onboards a new client. So the time you thought you saved, you just lost again. The second problem, and this is the big one, there is no undo button. So let's say you load the wrong snapshot, or you load way too much stuff. Well, you can't just click a button and remove it. Nope. You have to go delete every single workflow, every funnel, every field, one at a time by hand. It's brutal. And get this, the request to add an undo button has over 460 votes. It's one of the most wanted fixes on the whole platform. People are literally begging for it. The third problem, snapshots fight with the account they go into. So if you load a snapshot into an account that already has stuff in it, it doesn't replace anything. It just dumps everything on top. So now you've got duplicate pipelines, duplicate funnels, names crashing into each other. It turns into a mess fast. That's exactly why the official advice is to only ever load a snapshot into a brand new, totally empty account. So if you already started building, you're kind of stuck. The fourth problem, half of it doesn't even transfer. And this one really shocks people. A lot of details like your contacts don't come over, your phone number doesn't come over, your text message registration, your Stripe payments, your integrations, none of it transfers. And this is straight from GoHighLevel's own help docs. So even after the snapshot loads, you're reconnecting all of that by hand every single time, which is annoying if you are working with a brand with multi-locations or franchises. And the last problem, snapshots go stale and they bring their old baggage with them. See, a snapshot is frozen the day you made it. But GoHighLevel ships new features almost every week. So if you buy one off the internet, you could be importing a setup that's already a year old. And whatever was broken in the original gets copied right into every account too. Plus you still have to customize the whole thing anyway. So that promise of just load it in 5 minutes turns into hours of cleanup. So add it all up. The snapshot was supposed to save you time, but now you're stuck fixing it for hours. There's gotta be a better way to do this. And there is. So let me show you. Chapter 3, what to do instead. I stopped mindlessly importing snapshots for everyone. Now I just tell the account what to build and the AI builds it out for me. It's called Ask AI, and it's built right into GoHighLevel. Now here's the thing most people still don't get about it. It's not just a chatbot that answers questions. It actually does the work for you. Like I said earlier, it can take 182 different actions inside your account. Real actions. It can build your pipelines, your calendars, your custom fields, your email templates, your chatbot, even your social media posts. So instead of loading a generic template and fixing it, you just describe the business and it builds the whole thing custom. So let me show you what this looks like with Summit Heating and Air. Instead of hunting down some HVAC snapshot, I just open up Ask AI and I type out what I want. So I tell it, you're setting up a brand new account for a real HVAC company called Summit Heating and Air in Marietta, Georgia. They do AC repair, heating repair, new installs, and seasonal maintenance. And then I give it the full checklist of everything I want it to build. You can pause right here if you want to read the whole thing. And if you want to copy it word for word, you can get all my prompts for free with the link in the description. But more on that later. Now watch what it does first. Before it builds a single thing, it actually goes and reads Summit's real website. It pulls their services, their colors, even their logo. Then it writes up a plan, a full checklist of everything it's about to set up. And here's the part I love. It stops and it asks me to approve it first. So it's never doing stuff behind my back. I look it over and I just hit yes, build it all, and then it goes to work. So let me actually walk you through everything it built, because this right here is what replaces the snapshot. First, it built them a real sales pipeline. They call it Summit HVAC Sales, and it's got actual stages that make sense for an HVAC company. New lead, quote sent, job scheduled, job complete, review requested. So now every lead they get has a place to live and nothing slips through the cracks. Then it built the custom fields to match, stuff like what kind of system the customer has and what service they need. And it even filled in the options like central AC, a heat pump, a furnace. With a snapshot, those fields would have come in totally blank. Next, it set up a booking calendar just for service calls, and then it built them a brand board, and this part kind of blew me away. It took Summit's real logo and their exact brand colors right off their website, so everything it makes from here is already on brand. A snapshot can't do that. A snapshot brings whatever colors the template maker picked, and you're stuck fixing it later. Then it wrote their email templates, a welcome email for new leads, an appointment reminder, and a review request to send after the job's done. All written for an HVAC company, ready to go. And then it built them a chat bot named the Summit HVAC Assistant. And it's not some dumb bot. It's trained on all 5 of their services, their service area, their booking process, even how to handle common questions and pushback. So it can talk to a customer and book an appointment day or night. And then it did the thing that really got me. It wrote them a whole week of social media posts, 5 of them, a summer tune-up reminder, an air filter tip, a post about their membership plan, and one on the 5 warning signs your AC is about to go out. But it didn't just write the captions, it made the images too, in Summit's exact brand colors, and it scheduled them all out. So they've got a week of content designed and posted before I've even finished my coffee. So just take a step back and look at what it built. A pipeline, custom fields, a calendar, a brand board, email templates, a trained chatbot, and a week of branded posts scheduled out. All of it custom. All of it from that one prompt, and the whole thing took a few minutes. Now here's the huge difference from a snapshot. This isn't a generic skeleton that I have to go fix. It's custom from the very first second. It used their real services, their real city, their real brand. There's nothing blank sitting there waiting for me to fill in. It's just done. And I'm not even done yet, because for the website, GoHighLevel has another AI tool called AI Studio. So I just described the site I want and I point it at their current website and it builds the whole thing. Their logo, their colors, their phone number, it even pulled in their real 5-star reviews. A clean, modern site with a button to request an appointment, all from one prompt. And the best part is how easy it is to change anything. So let's say I want to add a financing step to their pipeline. I don't go digging through settings, I just ask. And watch this. It remembers the whole pipeline it just built and it drops the financing stage in right where I wanted it without breaking anything else. That took about 10 seconds. With a snapshot, you'd be clicking through menus for 20 minutes just to make that one little change. By the way, GoHighLevel is the platform I use to run my entire agency and all my clients. So if you haven't tried it out yet, you can use my link down in the description. And when you sign up with my link, you also get access to my community with over 100 video lessons, an AI prompt library, and other bonuses completely free. All right, now let me show you why this changes the whole game. Chapter 4, what this means for you. So let me tie this all together, because this isn't just a neat little trick. It changes how you run your entire agency. With the old way, every new client meant hunting for the right snapshot, loading it in, and then cleaning up the mess for hours. And if you ever landed a client in some weird niche that nobody made a snapshot for, you were totally stuck building from scratch. With this new way, all of that just goes away. You land a client, you describe their business, and the AI builds them a custom account in an afternoon. No hunting, no importing, no cleanup, and it works for literally any niche you can think of. An HVAC company like Summit, a dentist, a law firm, a gym, a roofer, it doesn't matter. You just describe it and it gets built. And because every account is custom, the work is actually better than a snapshot ever was. The client feels like you built them something made just for them, because you did. And those are the clients who stick around and pay you every month. So this is how you build a real agency in 2026. You charge local businesses a simple monthly fee to set up and run their systems for them. And you stack those clients up one by one until you're hitting $10,000 a month in recurring revenue. And the AI is doing the heavy lifting the whole time. You just keep the profit. Now look, I'm gonna be real with you. I'm not saying snapshots are 100% useless. If you've got your own setup totally dialed in, sure, you can still save it and reuse it. But going out and buying generic snapshots off the internet or trusting that everyone's snapshots are up to date will cost you serious time and money. Truth is, if you are a beginner, the AI just does it better now and it does it custom. So coming up next, I've got a brand new GoHighLevel tutorial where I walk you through the most important features in the platform, step by step. So check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.